We're back with breakfast. Today, we're making some super quick breakfast quesadillas made with our favorite ingredient, cottage cheese. You can customize them to your liking and they're easy to make. So let's jump right into it. This is random, but it feels like eggs have gone up to the price of a prime rib overnight. So my question for you all today is, where are you located and how much are eggs right now? Drop it in the comments below. We're gonna start this one by making our scramble. In a small mixing bowl, add 4 large whole eggs, half a cup of cottage cheese, a little pepper, and some salt. Yes, we're using cottage cheese in our scramble. If you've never tried it, it's delicious. Mix those ingredients together. If you want a smoother texture, you can blend or process this mix, but it's really not needed. Now go ahead and take out a stovetop pan, put your burner on medium heat, and add in half a tablespoon of oil or butter into it. Pour your egg mix in once it heats up and scramble your eggs. Keep them moving as they cook for the best result. After those are done, put them off to the side. Keep your burner on medium heat and add in another half a tablespoon of oil or butter. Put a tortilla into your pan, followed by 1/4 cup of your favorite cheese. I used a cheddar blend. Half your scrambled eggs, half a tablespoon of bacon bits, some chives, another 1/4 cup of your favorite cheese, and another tortilla. From here, I like to press it down to compact everything, then let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Flip it over and let that side cook for an additional 2 to 3 minutes. Repeat for your next quesadilla with the other half of your ingredients. And in the end, it should look like this. Couple tips to this one. Number 1, you can use whatever tortillas you want. Regular, mini, or even these small, low-carb, 50-calorie ones. I'll put the nutritional breakdowns for all of these, including other substitutes and metric conversions for every ingredient on the website, which is always linked up here or below in the description. Number 2, top it with guacamole, sour cream, or plain Greek yogurt, which is a great sour cream substitute, salsa, and so on to level these up even more. Number 3, add whatever you want to this. Don't like bacon bits? Don't use them. Think spices, seasonings, sauces, vegetables, and so on. Number 4, you can easily make the quesadilla portion in the air fryer if you want to cut down on some of the fat in the recipe. And number 5, this recipe makes 2 quesadillas. So if you want just one, you can half it. The winner of our last Testing Your Guesstimating was, bang, congrats to you. For this week's Testing Your Guesstimating, we're gonna go with this many chives inside this small bowl. Guess how much you think the entire thing weighs in grams in the comments below. The closest one to it in grams will win a shirt or shaker. 1 guess per person. With that said, thank you for watching. Hit that thumbs up button for more quick recipe ideas like this one. Subscribe if you haven't already so you never miss a recipe. Don't forget to check out theproteinchef.co for all your healthy recipe needs. And of course, stay healthy.